Sound, it's everywhere. Vibrations traveling through the air. The wind, birds chirping, the siren. You hear sound all around us. But I'm here today to talk to you about sound that is produced by the Holy Spirit. Every musician makes a sound, whether with their instrument or with their voice. Just like in an orchestra, we hear the flutes piping at a high-pitched frequency. Then we hear the large tubas blowing at the low frequency. From there, we hear the introduction of the high-pitched horns together with the orchestral drums syncopating together to form one sound. Now we hear the introduction of the pizzicatos, the electric guitar, then the electric bass guitar. We hear the introduction of the pianos, then finally the drums. God gave us this gift of music for a reason. His idea is to bring inspiration to every heart. At any time we get a chance to stand on any stage or anywhere, it will be Him bringing inspiration to our heart. That is the only way we can produce the sound of the Spirit. Join us on Saturday, July 22nd at the Lehman College Studio Theater. The address is 130 Bedford Park Boulevard, Bronx, New York 10468 at 12 noon for a time with the Lord as we are all inspired together to produce the sound of the Spirit. Thank you.